Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmond Midaros, and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tuturo ko on how to disable Web Proxy Auto Discovery WPAD in Windows 11. To disable WPAD, dito lang sa Start menu, so right click ka lang and then select mo lang yung settings. Dito sa settings ay kailangan mo na select yung network and internet, and then dito sa network and internet scroll down, select mo tong advanced network settings. Dito sa advanced network settings, so scroll down and select mo lang itong more network adapter options. Click mo lang yan. And then dito sa network connections, so double click lang tayo dito sa ating connections. And then next, kailangan mo lang i-select yung properties. And then dito sa kanyang properties ay kailangan mo lang select yung internet protocol versions for TCP, IBB ports. Click mo lang yan. And then next, kailangan mo lang select yung properties. Dito sa kanyang Internet Protocol Versions Properties, kailangan mo nag-select tong Advanced. And then dito sa kanyang Advanced TCP IP Settings ay kailangan mo nag-select dito yung WINS. Ito siya. Nandito lang sa taas. So, click mo lang yan. And then next ay dito sa kanyang Settings ay kailangan mo nang i-click tong Disable Net BIOS over TCP IP. So, click mo lang yan. Click mo tong OK. Click mo tong OK. And then close. And close natin. And then next ay kailangan lang natin mag-restart dito sa ating PC. Click mo lang ito. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple, and please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment below. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.